Alright, gotta do a little impromptu unboxing here. Just a little cheap Amazon piece. Flip that upside down. Instruction manual, so you know it's gonna be good. Oh God, that is thick. GuTe Automatic. I've heard that maybe the functions don't actually work on these through the reviews. I'm gonna check it out and see how junk it really is. I did not expect the exhibition case back. It was running when I opened it. People complain that it's hard to get to the crown, which I could see. Boy, that is hideous. The face is kind of cool looking though. The dial looks pretty cool.
Oh yeah. Temple.
The probably painted blue hands. Kind of look cool with the black and white going on.
Ow.
I would love to figure out what movement this is. This watch was in the neighborhood of $35. I can't imagine it's even like a seagull or anything like that. I'll have to pop it open and see if there's any markings in there. Looks like it's got a few jewels in it. It's not just like a Timex type movement or whatever with all just one bridge on each end of it. The watch does not hack, which shouldn't be a surprise to anybody, I would say. Well, it doesn't seem to want to run. I'm gonna open it up and see what I can see. It will run for a short period of time if you shake it. It's running, and already it's done running. I don't know, maybe there's something out of place that's stopping it from catching much wind. Yeah, this thing runs sometimes and just will stop. Here I am holding it upside down again.